The following video contains scenes that is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know what I watch? Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skiller. Big up and respect to each and every one, and I'm going to ask a question right about now. Do you follow international news? Or do you listen to international news, right? Because a lot of persons out there might not listen to international news, is what I'm saying to you. But however, in my point of view, I think that sometimes you should listen to international news, because some of the things that happens internationally affects a country locally, right? It might affect a country locally. You know what I'm saying? I'm not saying it happens every time, but sometimes what happens abroad to some countries happens to affect other countries as well sometimes. And I'm saying this because of something that had happened in the Middle East, right? And that what had happened in the Middle East is being feared to have start another war, right? Now, viewers and subscribers, there's reports out there that Iran's top general, a very important man in the country of Iran that is known as Qasem Soleimani, had been killed by a United States drone airstrike. You see me? And this said to have happened on the 3rd of January 2020 at somewhere within the area of the Baghdad airport, or within the areas of the Baghdad airport, right? Now, viewers and subscribers, according to reports out there, is that this drone airstrike had been ordered or led by the United States president that is known as Donald Trump. You see what I'm saying to you? And Soleimani is not the only person that had died during this whole airstrike incident. It is said that other persons was there with him that had died also, that is said to be of somewhat importance to the country of Iran as well. You see, now this that had happened now, there's a lot of reports out there says that this that had happened had stirred up a whole heap of things now, where, persons, which is the necessary authorities of Iran, started to give in statements which would seem as if they want revenge, you know what I mean? There's also statements out there, are reports out there that says that the necessary authorities or so forth from Iran says that they are not going to abide by the whole nuclear deal that they made with other countries out there. You see me? It is said in reports that the officials of US had ordered citizens that might be in Iran or those places in the Middle East or so forth to leave and come home or try to find them way out of those countries, which is Iran or Iraq or so forth. That's what I'm saying to you. And there's also reports out there, or I should say, a source out there says that United States officials start to tighten up on their borders, where they're starting to detain persons that are crossing borders to come into US, asking them certain political questions or views or so on. Is what I'm saying to you. There is comments on social media where persons are saying, Donald Trump is destroying USA. There is comments on social media where some persons are saying that Donald Trump only did this to divert from the whole impeachment thing. There is some persons on social media that are saying that Donald Trump is trying to destroy United States or the world before he loses the whole president status that he have, and all kind of different things have been said about what's going on right about now, viewers and subscribers. Now, I heard someone said something on CNN, and I totally, keep it in mind, because believe you me, viewers and subscribers, this what I heard, I'm just saying no, sir. No, what I heard someone said on the CNN is that Iran will most definitely retaliate. I'm talking the country Iran, right? It says that they will most definitely retaliate, but when and where, that is the whole thing, right? Or that is the problem. I'm only saying it in my words. It's not exactly word for word as how the person had said it. It's what I'm saying to your viewers and subscribers. But anyways, you don't know, viewers and subscribers, me no want to see no war. You see me? In my belief, I think that war affects the whole world when it happens to a certain extent. You get what I'm saying to you? It's like Right about now, ever since this thing happened, me start to hear the whole thing about oil being mentioned and all these things, viewers and subscribers. You see what I'm saying to you? And there's also reports out there that millions of people from within the Middle East, which is Iran and so on, gathered together to show their respect to the person that is known as Soleimani. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, and viewers and subscribers, really and truly, I'm just there such I have to keep you up to date and post it, make you know what I go on. Alright? Yeah, so in my belief, I think that person should listen to a little international things out there. You know, sometimes it can be very important to know what's going on. Alright? So let me know what you think about something like this, viewers and subscribers. And until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it?